you, Space Programmer, and I'm here with a project that I made yesterday, and I'm going to show you how to make it and what's the use for this. Well, I use two libraries, the scikit-learn linear SVC and the accuracy score of the science scikit-learn. You can import it simply on a terminal, which is pip install scikit-learn. Well, I made a project that can analyze types of cancer cell and malign or benign. This is easy to make, but it isn't a truly one because I've put some parameters here and size, time, place, and age, and I've put just this index here to make it easier for if I code in there. So I tested and it isn't like what I predict there would be malign or benign, and what I predict was benign or malign. So I didn't use the certain information because this one was the third one of benign and this one was the third one of malign. So yes, shoot, the first one is malign, the number one is malign, the zero is benign. So for making this machine learning project, I used the same formula that I used in the last video about the computer system testing. That one was better because it wasn't too precision, like the precision that you need to analyze some cancer cells and parameters to define what type of this cancer cell are totally different about analyzing computer systems. So, well, I've put variables and lists. This list for representation of these parameters, and all the machine learning projects need have lists, in my opinion. And this one is a really simple one, and I'm learning and making it in Stanford course, and I'm learning. So, and lately on the channel, I'll bring more advanced projects for yourselves. So let me just hit it. Well, so I made the stats as for using those variables, list parameters here, and this list here. And the second one, I put the numbers for identifying what is what. So I put a variable model, and I put it equal a linear SVC. This is the parameter for testing and training, training, and this is where we put inside. So we use linear SVC dot fit parentheses the two variables that we're gonna use. The x one is the parameters that it's going to train, and the y it just for get an equal. PM1 and PM2 is equal 1, and PMB1 and PMB2 are equal 0, and this is string. So actually put 6 variables, 3 of each board, and on the list ones of each one I tested because of the 4 I train and 2 I test. I'm not using any data sets, so this information is not true. I'm just getting out of my head what I think it is. So, the order, first one should be malign, the second one should be benign. So we use the metal predict to predict this one. What's the computer think this it is by the training that he already made. And for the accuracy score, we used this one, compare it to the predictions of the computer. So I made this one here because we'll get an percentages here to be easier for reading. And let me just clean this project. If I work a little bit more, I can say lies. and I really want to make it, and I want to show you to you that it's possible. You can make these things to say lies. And this one is simple one, but if I got a real data set with real information, I can make a real precision one. Not in this body because it's so simple, but I'm studying about more statistics and this calculation, and I can build more graphics with Matplotlib and other things I can build. You already brought a video about linear regression. There's a lot of things about it, and I don't remember if I got a machine learning application there. Probably not, but this one is a really great one. I guess the best, but it may it's not so precision because not by the computer, but what I thought it is. But well, I I actually don't need but as a currency score, just but it for being visual better, yes, being more grabbable, I see and understand for you. And if this information here were true, of course it was great, it would work because it's just a fill information. I only need like 500 50,000 50,000 data, thousand lines of data, right? Lines of data, yes, to make something like that works and that that can be useful and real. And this one is the machine learning project, and let's test it. Well, the task for the cell is 0 1. Alright, the first one is benign and the second one is malign, and the precision of the model is 0%. It's not the model precision, it's my precision because I thought this one was malign and this one benign, and I think this is fantastic. Now the information, all of this is not working and not real information, but it's just educational. And what I feel is fantastic is seeing the computer correct ourselves. And I don't know, but it's fantastic. It's fantastic. And I hope you liked this video. I guess it was really short. I was just showing you this program. This is a really interesting one. And I guess you liked this video. So don't remember to subscribe to the channel with a thumbs up and watch the previous video that I posted on this channel. So I guess in this next week I'll bring something better for you, some reviews updates on this code. Thank you very much.